So the Cadmus 8W Z Reviews edition, going with their signature art style for this, and the purple. We took so long to get this purple right because it's the same purple of the actual cable. But let me show you what comes in the box. See if my quote, how that came out. Audio is a journey. You may not recall where it began and will never know when it ends. The pursuit of happiness through music is a lifelong one and not without its challenges, nor its wonderful discoveries. If you are fortunate enough to be reading this, you are still on that journey. Enjoy it. Nice. I forgot I wrote it that beautifully. It's wonderful. Did you think that was beautiful? You read this. Tell me if you oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It was, it's like a poet. In tears. So now we've got the signature audio book, which explains the basics of the cable. Hi, this is Earphone, let's be friends. So we've got that, you can go through that. And then you have the demonstration of just, the tease. They're just teasing you with it. So we pull this off. Take that out. You get the owner's manual. It's important for anyone with a wire. You know how to wash it and park it in the sun, and etc. We see what it says. We have a premium UPOCC silver-plated copper lids with the septuplet multi-size core bundle and the EPO 24-gauge 8-wire with the EA Ultra Flexi insulation. It actually is very flexible. So now we're going to get out the last thing in the box. You get the carrying case and the different connectors, which these are really cool. Hold on. You get to pick if you want 2-pin, which is installed, or MMCX with the little tool. So you only need one wire for both types, although MMCX, probably less than normal, coming out now. This little thing is cool because you actually get the, hold on, the strap that's holding the wire in. Put this down. We'll work it out. It'll be fine. It's fine. This is just a demo. We'll be back for the real one. Next year, we'll get it right. We'll do a whole year's worth of practice.
Yeah, we will get it right.
Yeah. So the leather strap that holds the wire in the case is the strap that actually attaches to this so that you can store your IMs in a cool little satchel like that. And then here we go. Thick. It's got to at least feel as premium as possible. So we've got it here, and this particular set has got plastic wrap around all the edges to protect it. It may or may not come with that, depending on how hard it is to get these other ones off, but one of the thickest IM cables, perfectly good for, well, every collaboration IM I make. I don't think any of them have actually, even if it does have MMCX, it'll still work. It'll even work on JoJo's, which are QDC, but this 2-pin will work on it, and I know that because I've tried it. Nice thick shielding here. 4-wire weaves up at the top. The beautiful 8-wire weave here, which is just massive. And it's actually relatively light, which is good. And this is the 4.4. I'm wearing the 3.5, and I might swap it because I'm a big fan of 4.4. But yeah, that is the new Cadmus 8W Z Reviews edition. Available now.
Yes.
Available now.
Yeah. It's still pre-order.
It's pre-order. Pre-order
Production
now.
will be ready.
When can everyone in the world buy one of these? Because everyone needs one.
We already pre-ordered it, but I think Sean told me it will be October 20 to ship, right?
Yes, will be around mid of October. So
Mid-October.
you guys will most probably get it by November.
Before the big holiday rush.
Yep.
Before everyone gets everything for Black Friday, you will have the Cadmus 8W. And that damn purple. Have you seen the purple? Have you seen the purple?
Yes.
Well, here's it wrapped up. Here it is unwrapped. That is beautiful. Because I don't think there's another like really nice purple. I love. Oh, and did you show this? She specifically asked, could this be made in the same purple? And Hibby was like, sure. So there's a Hibby player to match, in case you're really one of those people who needs it to for your outfit to complete it. And she's got the watch. And she's got the jacket. She's doing way more than I am for the purple, but we love it all the same. So thank you. Check it out. And I'll see you all in the next one.